Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install DLL plugin to FL Studio 21. So you have to just go to Google and search for a DLL plugin download, right? So you'll get the official website here. Just go here and basically it will just give you some kind of instruction, the requirements and everything. So here you can see these are the version. You can just download the older version too. So this is the latest one, which is around 21. I'll just click on download and here below you can see the size. So it will just download in just given seconds. So right now it's only 0 seconds right now and it is downloaded, right? As you can see here, this is plugin. So here first of all you have to extract it, right? So here once you have extracted it, just go and copy the DLL file which you have downloaded on your computer. Now right click the DLL file and select copy, right? Now here you have to launch your FL Studio 21, which is the software. Go to the installation directory of FL Studio. The default path is usually whichever drive you have selected. For example, if it is a C or D or whatever the drive, so make sure you just check it before installing, right? And here you have to paste the DLL file which we downloaded it from here. Now navigate to the VST plugin folder, which is VST3 if the plugin is VST3. Right click inside the folder and select paste to paste the DLL file there. So this is the only thing you have to do. Once you have done, in the FL Studio, click the option in the top menu, select manage plugin for the drop down menu to open the plugin manager. In the plugin manager window, click on find more plugin to initiate a scan for new plugin. So FL Studio will search the designated plugin directory for new DLL files, right? So once a scan is complete, look for your new plugin in the plugin list. It should appear in the list of available plugins. So to use the plugin, go to the channel rack, mixture or plugin database, add a new instrument or effect and select your newly installed plugin from the list. So this is the only way to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.